Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you are here with me today. Hope you do have some time on your hands because this is the look we are going to be doing today and I'll be more than happy to walk you through it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, push that ring bell button so you would know whenever I upload my new videos, and yeah, keep on watching. I am going to start with my eyes. For today's look, I've decided to use the palette that I really like. This is a palette from NARS. It's called the Wanted palette. I believe that everyone knows this palette by now. The colors are absolutely gorgeous, wearable. I love this palette. It's so versatile. You can use it on a day out, for the daytime, for the evening. Like, you can do so many things with it, and it's a really good palette to have. So I think it's very good to invest in something like this that has a big mirror so you can actually apply your makeup and look at yourself. Plus you have a lot of colors in here that you can use, and yeah, beautiful palette. For the pencil today, I will be using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil in the color Corrupt. I'm gonna put it inside, in between my lashes, in my waterline, my top waterline, just to give my eyes a little bit of depth. Difference, huh? Another eye. The key is layering. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create my trusty wing, kind of, so it would be there, so we would know the shape we're going for, and then we're gonna use the eyeshadows. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna create a tiny little flick, mimicking my lower bottom lash, like so. Same thing on the other eye, like so, and then we're just gonna connect it. I am putting my pencil in between my eyelashes because I'm not drawing the line, I'm creating depth. Everything is gonna be blendable. Oh, one thing I didn't mention, I do have a little bit of CC cream. I did it off camera. I used the It Cosmetics CC cream. The color I used is medium. Haven't concealed yet. I will later on, you'll see that, but for some reason I just didn't film it. Okay, so let's grab that tiny pencil brush. This is the old one from Makeup Forever, and I'm just gonna blend the line that I applied. You still want it to be visible, you just want it to be not as sharp. You want more of a shadow rather than a line. And the key, as I mentioned, the key is layering. So the pencil and then eyeshadow, it's going to make your makeup stay for a very long time. Okay, with whatever is left on my brush, outside corner of my eye, okay. So I am gonna grab a flat brush. You know, these ones are very old for Makeup Forever, so I've been in the business for a very long time. I'm gonna use this nudish color right here, and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid. I'm not blending it, I'm just packing it on. I want to create something wearable, nudish, but with a little bit of a pop. It's finally hot and humid in here, so I'm kind of in the mood for a party. Another eye. Pack on the color. So this is the color I decided to have for my base. Now I want to create a little bit of elongated shape for my eye. In order for me to do that, I'll need a blending brush. I'm going to use the 224 by MAC. I'm going to get this, my aim is off, this color right here. So we are applying this brownish color in my crease to create more depth. And then we're creating shape. So wherever you would want your eye to go, just drag it. Nothing crazy, just give it a little bit of shape. Light blending as a feather. Because the colors are not that dark, it should be very easy for you to do. If you have a fluffy brush, very lightly. It's gonna create everything for you. You wouldn't even have to stress. Just drag it outside a little bit. Same thing for the other eye. Very, very lightly. Just drag it out. Okay. Same brush, lightly underneath the eye. We're getting this dark color. What is up with this? What is up with the aim? Katie! This color. Finally, this color. We're taking a little bit of it, just a little bit. And then wherever we put our pencil, we're creating a little bit more depth, just applying our eyeshadow. We don't drag it all over the eye. We just press it where our pencil went. Just press it on. Just in case you're gonna apply a little bit too much, don't worry. We can always blend it out. If you feel like you want it to flick a little bit with whatever's left on your brush, just elongate the eye and blend it inside the corner right there. Elongate it and blend it inside the corner. With whatever's left, corner of the eye at the bottom, the outer corner. Our eyes are done. But the trick here is you can leave it just as is. It's gonna be more of a daily look, but I'm in the mood for something extra. So I decided to grab this color here with my ring finger. I'm just gonna pop it in the middle. This is a gorgeous pinkish goldish color. I like the way it looks in the eye. Beautiful. Same eye. The other eye, sorry. Same eyeshadow. Gorgeous. Now, we will need to curl our eyelashes. If you can skip this step, please do. I just can't. I love doing it. This is a Kevyn Aucoin eyelash curler. Just gonna curl my eyelashes a little bit. Okay, whenever I apply my mascara, I try to roll it underneath my eyelashes. Kind of like so, if you see what I'm doing. Just to give an extra dimension at the root of my eyelash. Bottom eyelashes as well. The other eye. And as always, keep in mind, if you made a mess with your mascara, let it dry. Then it's going to be so much easier for you to clean it up. Never fix wet mascara. Bottom eyelash. For the inner corner of my eye, I do want to use this color right here. Just going to pop right inside to open up our eye even more. I'm happy with the way it looks. So for now, I'm done with the eyes. I might go back and do something extra, but I think this is gonna be it for now. I am using my trusty NARS Creamy Concealer. Color is Custard. Underneath my eyes here. And a little bit in the corner here. So this is where I get, and most of women get that bluish color that we wanna get rid of. Just gonna blend it. I don't apply crazy amount of concealer. Again, too hot, and my skin is just not agreeing with me when I have a lot of products. It is a beautiful product. You should, check it out because you won't be disappointed. Not applying extra product, just with whatever that there is. Because it is summer. I don't mind those imperfections. If you do, you can definitely conceal more, but for me, it's fine. We concealed, so let's powder. Make sure that nothing has creased. Under the other eye. I like powdery face, but whenever it's hot, when you do have this cakey mask on, it never works out. So I am gonna apply it with a fluffy brush, with my howto powder brush, but I am gonna take blotting tissues with me, because summer doesn't exist without those blotting tissues in my life. If you haven't tried blotting tissues, oh my god, you so should, because it's the most useful product in your makeup bag during those summer days. Honestly, for me, I use them all year round just because I have an extremely oily T-zone, and I'd rather blot it with a tissue rather than applying layer after layer of a powder. So I might look too powdery right now, but believe me, it's gonna go away pretty soon, and I'm gonna be very shiny. That's not nice. Let's use some bronzer. I don't think I'm gonna be contouring today. A little bit of bronzer just will do. So I'm gonna use my Marc Jacobs. Love this product, smells great, color is beautiful. I love it. You would apply bronzer wherever the sun would hit you. So top of your forehead, your cheekbone, not where your contour would go, but a little bit higher, but not as high where your highlighter would go. So somewhere in the middle. A little bit here, a little bit on the chin. Don't forget the other side. There's a little friend down there. In case you haven't met him yet, he's there, we're hiding. Nose, because the sun just loves our noses. For the cheeks and for the lips, I will be using this YSL Baby Doll Kiss and Blush. The color is number 8. Beautiful product. It reminds me of those cushiony textures. I really like working with it. So I just popped a little bit on the back of my hand. And I'm going to put a little bit on my lips, just to bring out this color and youthfulness. And on the cheeks. With whatever is left, just right here. On the bridge of the nose, here. With whatever's left, don't apply any more product. It's just to tie everything together. For the highlighter, I was thinking of using this Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the color Opal. I really like this color. Or we can go a little bit more bougie and use our trusty Tom Ford, this gorgeous color right here. I love it. So what do you think we should use? Let's use some Tom Ford, because why not? And top of my cheekbone. A little bit on the temple here, top of the forehead. A little bit on the bridge of the nose. Top of the Cupid's bow. The other cheekbone. Kind of feel that Tom Ford is a little more subtle. It's not as oh, beautiful. This. Don't get me started. My lips, I will be using the Bite Beauty lip pencil in the number 12, 012. And I'm just going to overline my lips a little bit. I'm not going to be applying anything in the center of my lip, just outlining it and the corners right here. Bottom lip. Not a lot of people are actually liking cool toned lipsticks or pencils. I love those. Pinks, beiges, grayish colors. That's my vibe. I like them, always use them, and I don't even mind that deadly look, so join the club. Let's blend it just a little bit. I'm not going to be using a lipstick, but I am going to be using a lip gloss. The product I'm loving right now. I think it's one of the best products out there. This is Fenty Beauty. This is a diamond gloss bomb, sorry, and it's called Diamond Milk. This is just such a beautiful product to wear. It's so comfortable, it smells amazing, and it's just, oh, the most beautiful, cool toned, glossy, diamondy glossy gloss. Beautiful. This is life. Okay, my lips are twice as big. Mission accomplished. My friends, this is it! This is the look we were going for, and this is what we got. I hope this has been useful. I think that, as always, everyone has all the products in order to do this look. It's simple, easy, everyone can do. It is easy for the summer. You can do it in a matter of minutes. Put it on, feel good, run out the door, done. And by the way, this would look really good on pictures too. Thank you guys for staying with me for a little bit. Thank you for watching this look. I hope you liked it. Stay healthy, gorgeous, and beautiful, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.